KidsFlex.
Today, we're going to meet all the letters of the alphabet, from A all the way to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, you did amazing! We met all the letters from A to Z. Give yourselves a big clap. Clap, clap, clap. Now let's all say together, we know our letters A to Z.